Today I want to go over one of the most important aspects of working on any vehicle, and that's torquing bolts. As simple as that might seem, it's of the utmost importance and something you can't ever forget to do. You have two basic types of torque wrenches, a click type and a digital, and you can use either. It's really a preference, but just make sure it's a good, reputable brand. There's basically two ends of the spectrum of bad things that can happen with not torquing a bolt or over tightening a bolt, and that's the bolt becoming loose because it's not properly tightened, or the bolt being over tightened, in which it could damage it, the part, you could break it, or it could become loose from being stretched and then your car falls apart. We'll start with the click type. Pretty simple. You know, you're just feeling for a click. You preset your torque wrench to the determined spec, in this case it's 26 foot-pounds, and you just nice smooth movement until it clicks. Here we have a digital readout. This actually, you have to turn it on. It's set with a button rather than a twisting knob. Same thing, we're going to set it to 26 foot-pounds, and this one kind of lights up and screams at you if you do something wrong. So green light means good. If I were to have over torqued it, you'd see that it would show me a red light, in which I've tightened it too much and I could cause a problem. And lastly, here at DFA Performance, we like to add torque seal to every bolt we torque. It's an indicator that, one, we have torqued that bolt, and two, stretching the gel from the nut to the thread allows us to know if it's come loose.